From Polish American, McLean, Virginia, since 1989. I'm at the church on Georgetown Pike, so I'm preparing semi-style Italian risotto. This one is ready for the pasta. Then we're gonna do salad. Olive oil with the herbs, touch of vinegar. And I have sweet potatoes in the oven, this beautiful Vulcan. Take a look at Salvador Esposito from Italian oven. Alex Bajan is cooking. Right now I'm already half an hour, 1 hour late, but that's okay because, couldn't access the kitchen earlier. So this is sweet potato. I supply this from farm in Shenandoah Mountains. Then I have chicken wings already breaded. I add some chicken herbs, Montreal spices. So maybe it's too much for 60 people, but they will eat. So will be hungry. I lower the temperature to about 350. I don't want them to burn too quickly. Then the pasta. The lady added too much water, so I removed half of the water. Now it's boiling, so I can add the pasta, but I will wash the pasta earlier. I think will be sufficient, because if people want more, we can always cook more. That's not expensive pasta. But we have a beautiful whole kitchen, state-of-the-art shoe, refrigerator. I have all the ingredients. Also, I supply to the church as a donation slivovica, which is the prune from Serbia. You see? Oh, this one is product of Croatia, slivovica, beautiful. So I have some for cooking champagne or wine. I have everything here. And this is, you see how beautiful the kitchen is. The only one thing that dishwasher, what is called the grinder, disposal broke down. So we have to be just careful with the drainage. So I can turn the fan here, and it's a powerful fan like in the restaurant. It works terrific. And you have the lights in the fan, you see all the lights. Beautiful, very clean kitchen, because it's not used a lot. It's used about 3 times a week, 1 time for the church and 2 times for people rent the ballroom. Let me show you. This is stainless steel, beautiful, and I show you the ballroom. You can rent it. Contact me. I will be your agent, 571-397-9481, or call me 703-528-0114, which is line phone, not for text. So this is the beautiful view of the church. You see, it's built about 2 years ago with the nice Byzantium-style cupola. Then we have, you see here, some memorabilia people can buy. We need some more. And we have the classic Jesus Christ, Santa Maria, always a Virgin, Queen of Poland also. And the doggy is barking. As you see, everything is beautiful here. We don't need the lights. I'm gonna see if I can turn off, because we have to save the lights. Yeah. Now this is for the fence. Well, the switches probably. Well, the switches here. See, beautiful ballroom. You see, that's we are preparing here. I already make the bread. This one, I use the good organic bread. I put olive oil, some herbs. I sprinkle with a little mozzarella. So this one, the bread was in the oven, because you always have to cook extra. Then I make organic coffee. This is just for few people. They care about organic coffee. And we have the whole station here for the people of the church. And here we have a state-of-the-art, a refrigerator. And this one, I think it's a freezer. Oh, freezer. See? Beautiful freezer here. Also commercial by True. So going back. What else? We have a short sink, utility sink to wash the hands, and we have all the pots. One more time, we have all the spoons here, state of the art. We have all the supply, herbs and spices, everything which restaurant kitchen will dream about. But you know, it's the church, so people donate. Then we have more supplies. I donated the rice, organic from Puerto Rico. You know, rice expends so much, so you don't need too much. Never put too much rice. Oh, this you do it how you want it. So now it's boiling, so I'm gonna add some pasta. And okay, this one is cooking slowly is better because you don't want to overcook too much. Because when you do the whole roasting chicken, actually temperature is lower. Takes 1.5 hours. So I want to keep it low the same way so it doesn't become dry. Okay, grazie piacere. Alex Bajan. I'm sending greetings to the chef Roberto Dona, owner of Galileo, now Roberto's in Vienna. I'm sending greetings to Jimmy from Pazzo Pomodoro. I'm sending greetings to Cafe Milano, Franco Nuschese, Chef Domenico, and the greetings to Salvatore Esposito, owner, founder of Italian Oven. And who else? I'm sending greetings to all the staff from the Prime Rib Luxury Steakhouse, Washington, D.C. on K Street. So I have to hurry up. Thank you very much. Today is the 30th of May 2026, actually 31st, Sunday today. Thank you.